Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by anchoring analysis in clear research questions. This tells you what to code and why. Once defined, create a compact codebook with 5-10 starting codes and explicit inclusion rules so coding stays consistent. Next, choose tools. NVivo or a spreadsheet will work. Use software if you expect many transcripts. Start coding a small subset to test your scheme and refine codes immediately, because early testing saves hours later and keeps your findings focused. You now move into iterative coding and synthesis. As you apply codes across transcripts, use constant comparison to adjust definitions and merge duplicates. Once patterns emerge, group related codes into candidate themes and write memos that explain how themes link to your research questions. Make sure to use matrices or concept maps to visualize theme co-occurrence and context differences. This clarifies how widespread a theme is and supports stronger analytic claims in your paper. You finish by validating and reporting findings clearly. Triangulate across data sources or run iterator checks to demonstrate trustworthiness. Summarize these steps in your methods. Then build a thematic narrative, present themes, interpret meanings, and support claims with exemplar quotes. Finally, include an audit trail and codebook appendix for reproducibility. If patterns seem weak, troubleshoot by revisiting coding granularity or sampling more cases to strengthen evidence and answer open questions.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.